All right, everyone, let's solve the problem together. So you can see that I have set up for you a space where we're going to extend this pattern with term 4 right here and term 5 right here. I've also got term number and value written down, and I'm going to go ahead and turn that into a T-chart so that I can record how my pattern is increasing by toothpicks. So, looking at my term 4 first, before I fill out my table of values, I need to add another set on here. So it's going to look something like this. And term 5 is going to look like two more of those added on. So if I take a look, I have term number 1 has 4 toothpicks to make it. Term number 2 has 7 toothpicks. 3 has 10. 4 has 13 toothpicks. And if I keep this going, 5 has 16 toothpicks. So as you can see, there's my answer to the first part of the question, how many toothpicks are in term 5? My answer would be 16 toothpicks. Now moving on to term 10, I really don't want to keep building these toothpick patterns all the way up to 10 of them. And I shouldn't need to because I should be able to see that I have a pattern going on here. So if you notice, our pattern is that we increase by 3 toothpicks each time. So for 6, it must be 19. For 7, it's going to be 22. For 8, it's going to be 25, 9, 28. And for 10, it's going to be 31 toothpicks. Bear with my penmanship as I'm writing on a stylus to record this on my iPad. And there we have it. Our solution to the second part of the question is for our 10th term in the pattern, there would be 31 toothpicks used to make this pattern.